Hey guys, welcome back to Being CA. So in this video, we are going to see how to enroll into CSEET or earlier known as CS Foundation. So first of all, go to icsi.edu, then click on online services, then register for CSEET. So here are some documents which you need to carry with you while registering to CSEET. Passport size photograph of the candidate, signature on white plain sheet, 10th class mark sheet for date of birth, and 12th class mark sheet, or if you are in 12th class then your admit card. If you have any category certificate then click on the box. You need to carry one identity proof such as Aadhaar card, passport, or voter ID card, or PAN card, or driving license, or ration card, any one of them. So you need these 5 documents, or if you are from special category then 6 documents. Now proceed to CSEET registration. Now go to qualification. So if you are 12th class passed then click on 10 plus 2 passed, or if you are in 12th class then click on appearing in class 12th. Now enter your Aadhaar card, it is optional. Now choose the title of Mr., Miss or Mrs. Now enter your first name, which is mandatory. Enter your last name. Now choose your gender. Now choose your category. Just just as a general SC, ST, physically handicapped, or a ward of ICSI staff. So if you have any one of them, check the list. So if you have any of them, then click on that thing, or if you are none, then click on general. Here are fees concession for these students such as SC/ST, physically handicapped, 50% concession, 75% concession for ICSI staff boards, or 100% concession. So you can read all of them. So choose as per you are. Now choose your date of birth. Now enter your mobile number. Re-enter your mobile number. Now enter your email ID. Now re-enter your email ID. Your email ID and phone number is mandatory. Now select your exam center. Choose your city. Recheck all the columns. Now fill your address. Click on next. Now here is your payment amount, which is 1000 rupees. Now click on next. So upload your photo and signature here. Make your signature on a white blank paper and upload that. Wait until the picture depicts upon your desktop. Now upload your document such as qualification certificate, just like admit card if you are appearing for 12th class examination, or if you had appeared 12th class examination and your result had come, then click on 10+2 mark sheet. Now click on confirm application. So here it is your payment mode. So choose any of the bank. So if you are having credit card or debit card, then click on Access Bank. If you want to pay through internet banking or wallet, then go by BillDesk or Kotak Bank. Or if you doesn't have anything, then click on Challan. In that a challan will be occurred and you had to go physically to Canara Bank to deposit that. Now click on next. So here will be your request ID and your transaction ID. So now proceed to your payment. So here are option of two types of card, which is MasterCard and Visa card. Choose any one which you have. Enter your card details. Now the payment is processing. Enter your OTP here. And click on submit. So your payment has been approved. So you will get your request ID here, transaction ID, receipt number, and membership number, or known as registration number. So must download this PDF. So if you have any query, then you can comment in the comment section, or feel free to ask us on our Instagram handle. Link will be given in the comment section.